Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Dell Chromebook so you won't short anything. Next, gently pry the keycap up from one edge with a plastic tool or your fingernail. You want smooth, steady pressure rather than jerks. As the cap pops free, make sure you observe and keep any small hinge clips or retainer pieces, place them in order on a clean surface. Once removed, inspect the scissor or butterfly retainer and the rubber dome beneath to figure out the next corrective action. You now examine the retainer assembly and rubber dome closely to determine the failure mode. If a scissor hinge has bent clips, carefully realign them with fine tweezers. If a tab is broken, plan to replace the retainer. Make sure the retainer snaps into the keyboard plate and moves smoothly without binding. If the rubber dome that provides tactile spring is torn or flattened, you'll need an OEM or compatible replacement. Order by Dell model number, so the fit and key travel remain correct. You finish by seating the retainer back into its slots, ensuring it sits flush and the hinge orientation matches adjacent keys. Then align the keycap over the retainer and press evenly until you hear a click. Don't force one corner first. Once attached, power on the Chromebook and test the key with several presses and a text field to confirm consistent actuation. If the key is still unresponsive, reboot, clean visible contacts with compressed air, and consider replacing the switch or seeking a full keyboard replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.